Welcome to everyone for learning the Holy Quran and the basics of the Holy Quran. This is the Holy Quran basics as well as Arabic. So let's start reading and memorizing and understanding these letters. These letters are basically the alphabets of Arabic language and the Holy Quran. They are the building blocks of that. If someone understands it and learn it very greatly and completely, that person can easily recite and speak the Arabic language. As we are having alphabets of English from A to Z or A to Z, the same is case here. The basics of the Holy Quran and Arabic language. Let's start reading that. In this lesson, we will understand and learn, and we will try to know the shapes of the letters, the dots, different dots, what are the uses of dots, and also the pronunciation of the letters. First of all, we will understand the shape. When we understand the shape, after that we will try how this letter can be pronounced. As we are having A, B, C, etc. So first of all, we understand the shapes of that, and after that we are trying to pronounce it, and we are trying to have a voice of that. The same is case here. The English letter alphabets are 26, but here it is 29. So one by one we'll try to make it and we will try to learn it. Let's start it reading that. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. First of all, this is the first letter of that first page. In this page, every letter is separately. They are called separate letter. This is lesson 1. In the first lesson, we are learning the separate letters and the basics of the Qaida. Okay, this is a straight upwards line. The shape of this letter is straight upward line, and it can be pronounced Alif. The pronunciation is written down Alif. It doesn't any difficulties and any hurdle. It can be pronounced simple Alif. Okay, the next one is a letter which is called Ba. The shape of this letter is just like a simple boat which flows on the water, and this Ba has one dot down. So a boat shape having one dot, has one dot at the bottom is called Ba. It can be pronounced like here B-A-A, Ba. Nice, mashallah. The same letter is here. The same boat like boat shape letter is here. It has two dots, and their two dots are on the top. So this is pronounced a bit different, and this is called Ta. Ta. Yes, T-A-A. Ta. MashaAllah. The same is case with the next letter, and it is also like a boat, but it has three dots on the top. Therefore, it is very different from every one of that, the remaining, and this is called Tha. Simple. Tha. Right, mashallah. Tha. So the first one is simple Alif. The second one is Ba, has one dot at the bottom. The third one is Ta, having two dots on the top. And the fourth one of this line is called Tha, has three dots on the top. Nice, mashallah. Now come to the next other letters. This is another shape. It is called Jeev. The first, the beginning part is this one, and after that it is rounded like this and has one dot in the middle, and this can be pronounced Jeem, Jeem, Jeem. Yes, mashallah. The same is case with the next letter, but the next letter doesn't have any dot. So if it doesn't have any dot, the letter is also different. It can be pronounced different, and the shape is also different. By one dot, it can be different from each other. This is called ha, 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 ha. MashaAllah. And the next line has also the same letter, but it is also differ from them by one dot. It has one dot at the top. Because of this one dot, it is pronounced differ. And this is kha. Kha. It's also rounded like the others, but it is having one dot on the top, so it cannot be pronounced like jim and ha. It is pronounced differ, and this is kha. Kha. Pronunciation is written down. This is kha. Okay. The next one is also a simple letter. This is called dal. Dal. Simple one. Okay. Dal. It is like dal. You can say dal, but for your understanding, it is dal. In actual, it's not dal. It is dal. So just make it simple. Dal is the sound, and dal is the sound. So you have to try to make it dal, dal. The next one is dal. It's a bit soft letter. Dal, dal, mashallah. And this dal and dal in the shape they are same, but because of one dot which dal has but dal doesn't have. So and this is dal, this is dal. So dal is different from dal because of one dot. Okay, next one is ra, ra, ra. It's a good letter, simple letter, ra. It has also another shape which has one dot, and that dot, because of that dot, it is called za. Za. It's a bit sharp letter and hard letter. Hard not in the sense of that you cannot be pronounced. You have to pronounce it hard. Z. So za, za. Inshallah. The remaining lesson, inshallah, we will do for the next lesson, inshallah, or the next day. Lesson of Allah, inshallah. See you next time. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.